Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Hena post Gathoni Wamuchomba ekirare thiini wa page yake, na post hiyo is speaking volumes. Mufango wa Ruto kugayania Mount Kenya region no roka wikiranite. Nona andu a Ruto marauga ati Kiambu ti Mount Kenya, ati iko region ni kado. Gathoni Wamuchomba no acokera undu ucio. Arauga kuhutia Uhuru ni kuhutia Kiambu. Agacoka akauga ati Nyeri, ati Kiambu ti colony ya Nyeri. Now, hani ho mundu marakorwo interesting na post ni ngwende tuthii na inyue o kahora kahora. Augetio ati Uhuru ni economy gukorwo Kingpin wa Mount Kenya region. But the fact is Uhuru retired. Hego retirement egukaya mundu ruthanjuru ni twaragwo kwe mundu ungi. Uhuru ndatunengereirie ruthanjuru kwe mundu ungi. Tukiuma kwe Kibaki ni atwerire mtu ni Uhuru, niki Uhuru atanianire. Now Gathoni Wamuchomba gacoka akauga ati Uhuru ena rights cia kurathima kana kunengeria muti ucio mundu uria ekwenda, na tutiraregana na uguo. Akauga nikio anengerire Matiangi. But the big question is, Matiangi ni riu eguko Kingpin wa Mount Kenya region? Nikioria because Uhuru said mundu ni uyu Matiangi arugama na Jubilee. The big question is, riu Matiangi riu ni egukorwo Kingpin wa Mount Kenya region kurigana na riu mundu gwitwo Gathoni Wamuchomba arauga. Keitugere na inyue thiini wa post ino mwene maundu uria mara unfold. Kwena maundu marahithanitio muno, but uria andu marauga Gathoni Wamuchomba augana ni kuhuthiire niguo. Reke tugere through this post, ladies and gentlemen. Ni post dirona Ruto plan yake ya kugayania Mount Kenya, ohoro ati gukorwo na Kiambu, Nyeri kado, Murang'a kado, Kirinyaga kado, Meru kado, Nakuru kado. Ruto niguo areka na areka maundu maya through andu aya. Gathoni Wamuchomba augite o, it's disheartening to see mountain people attacking each other for political competition. This entitlement is too much. Then I do how. Before DCP, there was Jubilee, UDA. There was Jubilee, UDA, DP and others. Nobody has the monopoly of 8 million mountain votes. We said before, hatubangwingwi. Iwe yuhoro hari orere. Uhuru Kenyatta is the undisputed kingpin of the Mount Kenya, of the mountain, and he did not force it to us. Okay? At least in the 10 years rule, with all his force, he was never impeached and never impeached his deputy. He unified the country. He is now at liberty to bless anybody to take over from me, even if it's not me, Gathoni Wamuchomba. So he now at liberty to bless anybody to take over. Point here, augate Uhuru Kenyatta is the undisputed kingpin. Ha ashoka augate. He is now at liberty to bless anybody. Now ni Matiangi. Matiangi riu ni eguko kingpin wa Kirima. What does Matiangi know about Mount Kenya region? No kiredoria. Okay. And if all this was said about him during swearing of KK government, it's true, why do you want to inherit his messy party? Kwani inheritance is given by force. No really. Gachagua dako inherit Jubilee. Kana Gachagua ithidokie na DCP. Because he is about Gachagua, by the way. Attacking Uhuru is despising Kiambu and Kenya at large. Igway. Attacking Uhuru is despising Kiambu and Kenya at large. Igway pointed Rashoka. I thought we learned a lesson after the boozy stealing episode. Let it be clear. You attack Uhuru, you attack Kiambu County, and we are watching. Maigwa, ate kuhutia Uhuru, ne kuhutia Kiambu, ne Gathoni Wamuchomba arauga ohoro ya ruteteko. igwe haria kana igwe statement ege eha keda. Let it be clear, you attack Uhuru, you attack Kiambu County, and we are watching. Igwe point rashoka. If Uhuru is betraying you by counting Dr. Matiangi, when did you sit and agree with him that you are the next in the line? We are in democratic country, and we all have rights to associate. Kiambu County is not a colony of Nyeri. Waigwa, Kiambu County is not a colony of Nyeri. And with much respect to Nyeri people, this trajectory and demeaning leaders must not be allowed. Uhuru is admired by all and is statesman. We should all work hard to outdo him. Senator Malala and co must stop these careless talks about Uhuru Kenyatta. Respectively, Wamuchomba daughter of Gathoni. Mwakigwa maundu maria makiri kuo. Na mwakionera uria Gathoni Wamuchomba story iria abia about Kiambu, Nyeri, uria Ruto arenda Mount Kenya ikorwo igayukanite, Mount Kenya ikorwo fragmented. And by the way, let me tell you guys, at Mount Kenya twa ukorwo tutekweigwa nitukugayukanio. I don't know why Uhuru came to this space of politics this time around. We respect him as our leader, as the former president. No ni rafati aikare kado andu aya mabe mebage. You see, post ĩrĩa ĩngĩ ndamwĩkĩra hau nĩ Manyora akiuga Matiangi nĩ project ya Ruto kugerera Uhuru na Raila Odinga. Now you can see this statement. It's speaking volumes, by the way. It's speaking volumes. Koguo andũ a Kiambu hingo ĩno mambagia kuga Kiambu ndĩrĩ Mount Kenya, Kiambu nĩ region on its own. Koguo hena kũrĩa marutĩte ũhoro ũyũ. Just a question, because maũndũ maya nĩ makoretwo makĩario. Koguo hena harĩa marutĩte ũhoro ũyũ. Now Gathoni Wamuchomba is saying that. Anyway, it is what it is. Ketete tuone ũrĩa gũgũikara. But ni kama point ya Manyora it's right. Manyora it's not wrong. Now kiuria kingi gioka. Tondu Gathoni Wamuchomba ni araria uguo then it seems andu aria othe me mwena wa Ruto aya me rejected thaa ici thĩinĩ Mount Kenya region. Kwĩna ũhotekeku mũnene makarũgama na Jubilee. From what I've seen, kwĩna probability, kwĩna possibility andu aria othe rejected kuma Mount Kenya aria me thĩinĩ wa regime ĩno ya Ruto, aria maretwo endia rũrĩrĩ, aria maretwo tokonia, kwĩna ũhotekeku mũnene mũno atĩ maoka Jubilee. Kuna possibility. Arauga atĩrĩrĩ atĩ kwĩna andũ mendaga kũinherit Jubilee. But the fact is, ari horo Gachagua Gachagua akena DCP aenda kũinherit DCP Jubilee yake yet ena kĩama gĩake. They have known ũrĩa maũndũ marathiĩ na mbere na ũrĩa gũikarĩte atĩ nĩ maramenyekana mĩbango yao. No rĩrĩ Uhuru nĩ egũthũkia legacy yake because he is retired. Aiga thĩinĩ wa political space nĩ egũthũkia legacy yake. Gĩtĩo kĩrĩa agĩrĩire kũheo nĩ gĩgũthũka. That's how things are. So hii game imeanza kuonekana, watu wameanza kuona vile kuko and how things are. Maũndũ nĩ mambia kuonekana. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, ketute tuone ũrĩa maũndũ megũikara. This is politics. In politics, expect anything. Guys, adui ni mjamo. Must go. You know your point. Adui ni mjamo. Kogo gwa koni haro. But adui ni mjamo. Anyway, kone kwa podcast. Mwani manyuma iko. Nyuma wate. Thank you. God bless you. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani kwa nini?